Welcome back to the channel. List in a ship is the term used for the transverse inclination or sideways tilt of the vessel. It's the condition where the ship is not floating upright, but is leaning to the port side or the starboard side. Unlike trim, which is the fore and aft inclination, list is a transverse stability issue. A small, intentional list is sometimes used, but excessive or accidental list is dangerous because it significantly reduces the ship's transverse stability and the height of the metacentric height. The primary reason for list is uneven weight distribution across the ship's width. This can be caused by uneven loading or discharge of cargo, unequal amounts of fuel or ballast water in port and starboard tanks, or the accidental shift of cargo. When the ship is listing, the center of gravity, G, shifts horizontally off the centerline towards the low side, creating a heeling moment, a moment that causes the ship to tilt further. Correcting list, often called righting the ship, is a crucial operation that involves creating a righting moment equal and opposite to the heeling moment. This is primarily achieved by shifting weights transversely. The simplest and most common method is ballast water transfer. If the ship is listing to port, water is transferred from a port side ballast tank to the corresponding starboard side ballast tank, or sometimes water is simply pumped into the empty starboard tank. The volume of water moved and the distance it is moved from the centerline must be carefully calculated. Naval architects provide stability data and list correction tables to the ship's officers. These tables allow the crew to quickly determine the weight in tons that needs to be shifted transversely to correct a specific degree of list. The calculation involves the ship's displacement, the distance of the shift, and the ship's GM. A key safety consideration is avoiding the creation of a dangerous free surface effect during the correction process. If a ballast tank is only partially filled, the water surface remains horizontal as the ship rolls, reducing the effective GM and potentially worsening the stability. Therefore, ballast tanks used for correction are often either completely emptied or pressed full. For cargo ships, list can also be corrected by shifting movable cargo, though this is often impractical at sea and usually done in port under controlled conditions. The goal of list correction is always to return the ship to an even keel, or as close as possible, restoring the maximum possible transverse stability and ensuring the safety of the vessel and everyone on board. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, comment, like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Thank you.